The Ceylon Ironwood, scientific name, Mesoopharia, is a majestic evergreen tree native to tropical South and Southeast Asia, particularly Sri Lanka, formerly known as Ceylon, India, and parts of Southeast Asia such as Thailand, Myanmar, and Malaysia. Known for its incredibly strong and dense timber, fragrant flowers, and cultural significance, this tree holds a unique position both botanically and symbolically. Botanical description: Family, Calophyllaceae. Genus, Mesua. Species, Mesoopharia. Common names, Ceylon ironwood, Indian rose chestnut, cobras saffron, nagkesar, Hindi, Na tree, Sinhala. This slow-growing tree can reach heights of 30 to 45 meters, 100 to 150 feet, when mature. It features a straight, cylindrical trunk with a dense, spreading crown. The bark is smooth and grayish, and the leaves are simple, lanceolate, and leathery, with a glossy green surface and a whitish underside. When young, the leaves display a coppery red hue, adding to the tree's visual appeal. Flowers and fruits. One of the most admired aspects of the Ceylon ironwood is its ornamental, fragrant flowers. The blossoms are large, 4 to 7 centimeters in diameter, with 4 white petals and a cluster of bright yellow stamens at the center. The flowers appear singly or in small clusters, usually during the hot season or monsoon, and are particularly notable for their sweet, pleasant scent. The fruit is a capsule that contains 1 to 4 seeds. It has a hard, woody shell that splits open when mature. The seeds are oily, which is significant for their medicinal and commercial applications. Timber and wood characteristics. The name ironwood comes from the tree's extremely dense and heavy wood. The hardwood is deep red or dark brown, exceptionally hard, and very durable. It has a fine grain and takes a high polish, making it highly valued for construction, railroad ties, furniture, beams and pillars in temples and palaces, flooring and carving. Due to its hardness, it is challenging to work with using hand tools, but its durability ensures a long life even in harsh climates. Ecological role and growth. Ceylon ironwood is a shade-tolerant species and typically grows in moist, evergreen forests and along riverbanks. It prefers well-drained soils and thrives in tropical climates with consistent rainfall. However, it is slow-growing, often taking many years to reach full height and timber maturity. The tree attracts a variety of pollinators, including bees and butterflies, due to its nectar-rich flowers. It also contributes to biodiversity by providing shelter and habitat for birds and small animals. Cultural and religious significance. In Sri Lanka, the Ceylon ironwood is the national tree, where it is known as the Na tree. It is deeply rooted in Sinhalese culture and Buddhism. The tree is often planted around temples and monasteries, symbolizing purity, strength, and resilience. Its flowers are traditionally offered in religious rituals and ceremonies. In India, the tree is known as nagkesar, and it has spiritual value in Hindu traditions as well. The wood is used for sacred purposes, and its flowers are offered to deities during pujas. Medicinal and economic uses. Every part of the Mesoopharia tree has traditional medicinal applications. Flowers, used in Ayurveda to treat bleeding disorders, indigestion, and respiratory problems. Seeds, rich in fatty oils and are used to produce nagkesar oil, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Bark and leaves, used for treating fevers, wounds, and skin conditions. Its essential oils are used in perfumes and aromatherapy, and in traditional remedies for piles, dysentery, and ulcers. Conservation and status. Though not endangered, the Ceylon ironwood is increasingly under pressure due to deforestation, urbanization, and overharvesting for its valuable wood and medicinal products. In some regions, protection efforts have been implemented to preserve this culturally and ecologically important species. In botanic gardens and conservation areas, efforts are made to propagate and educate the public about the significance of the tree. Its slow growth rate makes it less common in commercial forestry, but its role in traditional societies remains profound. Conclusion. The Ceylon Ironwood, Mesoopharia, is a tree of exceptional aesthetic, cultural, and ecological value. From its glossy copper-colored leaves and aromatic blossoms to its almost unbreakable timber and spiritual symbolism, the tree embodies resilience and beauty. Its medicinal benefits, role in heritage, and contribution to biodiversity make it a vital part of tropical ecosystems and traditional societies alike.